Hello students, now let's check exercise from lesson number 7, the correct use of prepositions. Okay, so it's on page number 52 in your grammar textbook. So open 52 page number and check your exercise. See, test yourself, choose the correct preposition from each blank which were given in the box. Okay, see, first one. He fell dash the ladder and broke his leg. He fell down the ladder and broke his leg. Okay, he traveled dash Mumbai by train. He traveled to Mumbai by train. Bob is not here, he is at his office. Okay, now has your dad come back from his office? Like this you can do this exercise or rest of the blanks by yourself and check from answer key. Okay, check your answer from answer key which were given in the last pages. Now see on page number 54. Choose the correct preposition for each blanks. So here we have what we have to do. Only the prepositions will be put according to the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so see, he fell dash the well. He fell into the well. I said it dash his face. I said it
on his face.
One second. I said it. I said to his face. I said to his face. See me dash this. See me after this period. Okay. I am tired dash this job. I am tired. I am tired of this job. Have you checked your answers? I am tired of this job. We pray to God. Okay, so like this you can do all this exercise, rest of the sentences by yourself and check your answer key. Check in answer keys. Now fill in the next exercise, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. So here according to the meaning of the sentence we have to write proper prepositions. Come and sit with me. Come and sit with me, it's also right. Besides me also right. Come and sit with me, it is more correct. Then we did not die of cholera. He didn't deal honestly with me. He didn't deal honestly with me. Okay. This shopkeeper deals. This shopkeeper deals in cloth. Shopkeeper deals in cloth. Deals in. He traveled 7 miles dash 2 hours. 7 miles in 2 hours. Okay. Then I cannot agree with you on this point. Okay, very good. Now like this you have to do rest of the sentence by yourself. Take it. Say see in answer key. The child has been missing since yesterday. The child has been missing since yesterday. Now see, rewrite each sentence correctly. So first sentence, I have known him since 20 years. I have
known him for 20 years.
For 20 years. I have known him for 20 years. So here exact period આપેલો છે, time. So for 20 years. Now she asked from me.
She asked me what I was doing.
She asked to me what I was doing. She asked to me, I think. See, she asked me what I was doing. Okay, from we have to remove from 55. She asked me only. So from removed from here. અહીંયાથી from કાઢી નાખવાનું. She asked me what I was doing. Now a mother loves with her children.
A mother loves her children.
A mother loves her children. With કાઢી નાખવાનું. Good boys don't shirk from work.
Good boys don't shirk work.
Good boys don't shirk. Good boy don't shirk work. So here also from કાઢી નાખવાનું. He does not obey to his teacher. He does not obey his teachers. Remove to. So કાઢી નાખવાનું. If it is not needed. We reached at the station in time. We reached
On time.
We reached We reached the station in time. We reached the station in time. So remove at from here. We entered into the hall at time. We entered the hall at time. We entered the hall at time, son. We entered the hall in time, not at time. We entered the hall in time. ઉપર પણ આપણને આપ્યું જ છે in time. So this cloth is superior than that. This cloth is superior to. આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા, superior is always followed by to. Superior, inferior, inferior. So these all are the adjectives which are always followed by to. So this cloth is superior to that. So like this you have to do all these sentences by yourself and check your answers with answer key. Okay, so it's here, it's on page number 55. You have to do the rest of the sentences by yourself and check the answers in answer key. Okay students, I think it's over lesson number 7. So write all the exercise in your grammar notebook. Take care students.